Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've been joined by Juliet and we are going to be chatting about our favourite sites. We've been caravanning for 8 seasons now, isn't it?
Yeah, 2018.
Yeah, 2018 we started. And in that time we've been to quite a few sites. Some that we've done reviews on the channel of and some we've decided not to. So today we're going to reveal in a category order our favourite sites that we've visited over the last few years. Some of them you might be surprised at. Well, our first site category is our go-to site.
Yes, it's March, it's our wedding anniversary and we're in Blackpool at Piper's, and this is our favourite go-to sites. We first came here, I think, in the August 2018, as soon as when we got the caravan.
Yes, we did.
That year. And we really liked it. And Alfie liked it as well when he was younger and he used to live near us, because it's just up the road for us.
Yeah.
If we just want a quick weekend away, it's brilliant.
It's a great place for us to film as well, because to be fair, Phil, the site manager, and Sarah, the owner, they're really good with us. They do let us film, because some sites can be a little bit funny about it, but Piper's is always there to say, no problems, get on with it. So that is our go-to site. So our next site category is our favourite family site, and Juliet's going to explain.
Yeah, a family sites. Now, obviously, we've been away a lot with Alfie over the last few years. This is actually as well one of it, when he was little. He used to love coming up here because he loved the playground and he loved going into Blackpool. We've also been to some of the really big sites. We went to Love to Stay with him. We didn't do a review on it at the time because we were actually on holiday and we wanted to spend the time with Alfie, so we didn't.
Yeah.
We've been to other family sites. I mean, we're going back to one of the family sites we really like this summer, and that's Plassey.
Yeah, we're going to be reviewing Plassey this year.
We will do this time because we're actually going with Alfie. Now, because Alfie moved up to North Cumbria, we actually found a site up there which is
Stanwix.
And it's still and I think that has to be our favourite family site because there's so much on it.
There is. I mean, if you've got kids, it's great because, you know, it's got a swimming pool, it's got a games room, it's got entertainment, it's got bars for mum and dads, it's got quite a lot, and the little town of Silloth as well is a lovely place to have a walk round during the day. So for us, Silloth is our favourite family site. So our next category is adults only, our favourite adults only site.
Yeah, we had a bit of difficulty with this one. We have been to a few adults only and we had a favourite adults only site. However, it changed slightly last time we went and we didn't have a good experience. So
no, we didn't. It was Beaconsfield, if you want to know what it is. It wasn't a pleasant stay last time, so we've decided that we're no longer going to visit it anymore. And we have reviewed that one on the channel as well, so that was a little disappointing. But I'll be honest with you, I can't think of one at the moment, but there may be one coming up, hopefully, throughout this season, we'll see. But at present, we don't actually have a favourite adults only site. Now, the next category in our favourite sites is a European site. So, Juliet, I'll start this one off.
Yeah, this was, again, a strange one, because we actually spoke to Alfie about what his favourite European site was. Now, at first he said, oh, he really enjoyed France when we went to France. The site was big, he played out, we enjoyed it, the pools were nice. And then we said we'd been to Holland on our own, then we went with Alfie, and we've also been to Spain. Now, as we were talking about why we like certain sites, and even with Alfie as well, he spoke about it, and we came back down to is actually, surprisingly, it was probably the one that's the tiredest.
Yeah, Human's Boss. It is, for all intents and purposes, a nice site, but it has seen better days. They could do with some improvement and modernisation. However, the customer service at the actual reception and the staff are absolutely lovely. They're really good. and they make you feel welcome and they make you feel at home. And it's not an expensive site, but not only that, it's so central to all the places that you want to see. If you want to go and see Nijmegen, which is a beautiful town,
It was, yeah.
it's not far away. You've got the German border not far away, within an hour, and you've got the other side of Holland as well. So all in all, we liked it for its whole all-around package, didn't we?
You did. I mean, I must admit, me and Alfie did love the pool.
Yep. He even liked paying 50 cents to go and have a shower. Because when we went to Delft, he didn't like their showers and they were modern and free. So you can't figure it, can you?
No.
But he liked it and we like it. So much so, we may be going back next year.
Yep,
But,
watch this space.
Watch this space. So that was our favourite European site. So that's our roundup of our sites. It'd be interesting to see what you think in the comments, what your favourite sites and why they're your favourite sites. As we mentioned in our update at the beginning of the year, we are going to be reviewing a lot of caravan parks that we visit. We have finally now committed to booking and confirming the sites we're going to go to this year. But all about that will be revealed in an update later on. Now, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. Please like, share and subscribe. And especially if you haven't subscribed already, please do, because it helps us make more video content for you. And some of these videos are not just chatty ones, they're helpful ones and can save you money. Well, in the meantime, I'd just like to say bye for now.
Bye.